Morning all of you, Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the 5th chapter of class 7, working with the layer. In this chapter I have discussed all the important topic along with the objective questions. One thing is important, .swf is an animate output file that is developed by testing or publishing an animate movie. So this is the important point. And today going to continue with the questions of this chapter. First is, what do you understand by the term layer? Layer से आप क्या समझते हैं? Answer is कि layer are the like transparent sheets that can hold object and are stacked on top of each other. Layers are the useful while developing a big animation movie. Layers allow us to organize the artwork, animations and other elements of our movie. Second question, what do you understand by the hiding and showing layer, and how will you hide a layer? We can hide the layers to view the contents on the other layer. While hiding the layers, we have the options either to hide all the layers in our document at once or hide the layer individually. But in animate, masking hides the other parts and shows only those parts of an image that appears underneath in the object on which we are applying the masking effect. And to hide the layer, click on the eye icons above the layers. A white cross symbol appears in the eyes columns. We will find that all the contents displayed disappear from the stage. This is the second question. Now third question, write any two methods to rename a layer. To renaming a layer, method 1, select the layer which we want to rename and double click on the layer name and type the new name. Method 2, right click on the layer's name, select the properties option from the context menu or choose modify option in the next timeline, next layer of properties from menus. And that is the last, the layer properties dialog box appear. Type the new name in the name text box and click on OK. Question number 4, what do you know about the masking in animate? In animate, masking is the way to selectivities, hide and display the contents on a layers. The mask layer contains a mask item that can be a field shape, a type object, an instance or graphics symbol, or a movie clip on one layers. Masking is often used in the animate to create a spotlight effects that would display the text or object through a hole. These are the questions answer of the chapter 5th. Question number chapter 5th already completed with all the objectives and question answer. Next day I will revise this chapter Thank you. Have a nice day.